So if I were to go around over here in DeepSeek and let's say, for example, say something like generate a table of 10 types of fruits right here, just like this. And if I were to go ahead and hit send, then what happens is that you simply get 10 types of fruits right here, just like this. So let's just go ahead and let it complete the generation right here, just like this. So there's number 1 till number 10 right here, just like this. So once this actually completes, you can see right here on the bottom that you have an option to copy out this content right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can paste out content elsewhere as you want. You can also go ahead and regenerate it or like it if you like the result, just like it. And this is how you can actually go ahead and report how everything is being generated to DeepSeek as well, so that DeepSeek can improve the results later on. You can also go ahead and regenerate it, and what happens is that it'll regenerate out the prompt as well. So you get a different result, as you can see right here. So now you can see that it generated out another result, that is, it regenerated out the content. And you can go ahead and see the before and after as well. So you can actually go ahead and see the other result and the later result, as you can see right here. And then this is what you have. So that is simply how you can go ahead and work around with the result actions inside of DeepSeek. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.